The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 11:30 p.m. At 9:51 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm capable of producing strong winds to nearly 50 knots 9 nautical miles west of Wilmette Harbor, moving southeast at 35 knots. This strong thunderstorm will be near Northerly Islands around 10:20 p.m. Calumet Harbor around 10:35 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 o'clock p.m. Wednesday evening for northeastern Illinois. The following is a current statement from the National